So let's create the DAO package. Click on the parent package, call and SE package. So employee management dot DAO package and finish it. And inside of DAO package, we need a class that is called control and class. Uh, the class name will be a employee DAO and finish. So in this package, and it is added as at the rate repository. So here, what are the things we needed? First, we need a save employee, or you can say add employee. Save employee, add employee. So we need a method for that. So let's create the method public employee by formatting the package employee save employee, and we need a employee class object employee is equal to return. So we need one more thing, uh, that is a student student. Oh, sorry guys. Employee repository. This is the interface which is present in repository package. So employee repository. It should be allocated as private and auto wired. So it will be automatically connected with the uh, repository package. So what we need here, return repository dot save. How we'll get this save? The employee. So we will get the save from the repository class. So let me show you that. So in this class, this is the interface employee repository extended by JPA repository. So we will get the save method from the JPA repository package. So yeah, we will get here repository dot save employee. So after this, we need to implement the this in as a service package where our uh, logic will be there. Whatever the logic will be right inside the service package. So that is called the clean code. So click on the parent package, control and get the package called dot service package, or you can say employee service package. Service package inside of service package, control N and create a class called employee service. Should be annotated as a service package, service class. Okay, correct. Service means stuff logic will be here, and it should be automated with the uh, DAO package, DAO class. So employee DAO, DAO, or DAO, employee DAO, and should be a private as well, private thread of let's implement the our service method. So public response entity, response structure. Here we have a response structure as employee. It will be employee structure is equal to new response structure. Response structure, just creating the object of response structure. And what we need to do, structure dot set message. So the message will be a employee saved successfully. Saved successfully. Yes. Successfully. Okay. This will be a message. If the employee will be saved, then you have to show this message employee saved successfully. Then the structure dot set data. Data should be a means the employee now dot save employee from employee. Means what is happening here? Employee by DAO is a package of inside uh, DAO package, DAO class. Okay, so employee DAO it will getting from employee DAO dot save employee means it will be present inside the employee DAO class is a save employee. So it will come from there and save it as it is. So employee DAO dot save employee is equal to employee means the object will be a employee type. And third one is structure dot set structure dot set status code. What kind of HTTP status will be returned? That is a HTTP status. If you need a video on uh, this status code, you can mention the comment. I will make that video as well. Status dot created means we just creating adding the employee means whenever you creating the new employee is called it as a created. That's why created dot and we will get the status code as well. And what we need to do return new response entity response structure employee and return as a structure comma http status dot created http status dot created. There. Okay, this is done. And the next one is we have need of a controller package. So let's go to the go to the parent package control and CLS class. Sorry, not class package. CLS package will be a controller side of controller package. A class called employee controller. So it will be read as a at the rate rest controller or controller. Okay. Yeah, and we need to auto wide with the service package. For that, we need a employee service employee service It should be a private and put it as a at the rate auto wired. That is called if you uh, wrote that dependency injection, you will know that auto wired as well how it works. So let's do one thing. Go to the employee service and the first line of code. See, come to the controller, control V, and here what we need to do, return uh, employee service dot save line. Should be a it should be a request body. So it should be annotated as a request body because we need to send the response as a JSON. Means there we have a the whatever the fields inside the table, na, we have to write all the things and get inside the database. For that, we need a request body, and it should be annotated as a at the rate mapping mapping value is the link of the our API is slash save employee employee and save it. The first one is done. That is the save employee. For check this, we need to run first. So let me go to the parent class. This one is the parent class where the our project will be started is here. So let's run this. So yeah, it will be running. It's running. So now let's go to the Postman to check our API is working or not. So you have to install this software. There is a Postman software which is used to check your APIs. You have to install this first, and you don't have to log in at all. Directly, you can use it after install it. If you not get use it, if you don't have that clarity to how to use it, and if it's not installed properly, you have to comment that it will not working fine. I will give you the reference of what you have to use instead of Postman. So open it. So this is my previously created project API. What we need to do, we need a HTTP colon slash slash localhost colon host colon 8080 slash. We need our API name that is a same employee, and we need a body to pass what kind of data you have to enter in your. Uh, for that, we need data in the JSON format. Let me write first, then you have to send. I have to show you. Yeah, this is JSON response that is written by me. Name is MD Shah, email shah@gmail.com, mobile number 058186, department, software department, joining date 12 to 2024. A salary will be 3,000, 30,000, and the password 1234. And we don't write the ID because the ID will be automatically generated. We don't need to write the ID here. and let's run it. Not run it, let's send it. Get some error. Not learner is null or transient means it's not mentioned anywhere. Null or transient. Okay, let me. Okay, let's run it. Send. Yeah, we will save the like. Let's go to the our database MySQL. Refresh it. Yeah, we will get the data. Uh, the employee is empty sharp, password 123, salary 75,000, department is belongs to civil. Here we have also one more data that is John Doe, what is secure password, 75,000 salary, and IT department. So that's all about this video. Next video, we will create two, four things or more, that is delete, update, and find by ID, get all the employee.